Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply appear offline in Call of Duty Warzone. So let's start. This is important if you don't want your friend to know that you are going to play alone without them. You know what I'm saying, right? Go to right top corner and you're gonna see it here. When you're gonna click on your friend list, you're gonna see it online, and you can just press away, busy, or appear offline. And when you're gonna click on appear offline, no one can know that you are going to play Battle Royale alone. No one can know that you're gonna play Battle Royale alone. My brother from another mother. So again, right top corner, appear. We're gonna have online, and then just click here, appear offline. So yeah. Have a great day, everybody. I hope we're going to have an amazing day, because you are what? Amazing person.